You clicked on this video because you are searching for a work from home job in 2023, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. Welcome, my name is Sierra, the Work From Home Diva, and on my channel we talk about all things work from home, remote job, data entry, all of those things. I've got you covered. So in today's video, we are talking about a company called Public Storage. I know you have probably heard of Public Storage. They are all over the United States. They have been in the industry since 1972, and they're hiring for inbound remote sales agents. So in this role, you'll be receiving inbound calls from potential customers, and you just want to make sure that you maximize the reservations and the rentals and become the expert in this role. Now, you will have to meet sales goals and targets and consistently provide exceptional customer service and professionalism to all of the customers that are calling in to make these reservations. Now, the great thing about this role is, of course, because it is a sales role, you will be having some type of bonus that you will get with this position. It'll be pretty easy to hit because you're already getting people that are calling in to make these reservations. Now, during the month, you will have to attend one-on-one feedback sessions on sales performance and participate in team meetings to ensure your success. You do want to make sure that you're adhering to your shift schedule and that you are available for all the calls. You're coming back from your breaks and your lunches and things like that on time. Now, for this position, it is $18 per hour upon hire, but you do receive those bonuses and it is uncapped. There is a 5-week paid training in a virtual environment, and of course, you are working from home. So you will have comprehensive group benefits. That will be something that will be provided for you for healthcare, and they do have a 401k match. A lot of times it's up to about 3% that the employer will match you. So what are the qualifications? You do have to have 1 year of sales experience, call center, phone. That is a plus if you do have some type of sales closing experience, but it's not required. And you have some type of previous work from home experience, but that is not required either. And you know how to operate a Windows-based computer. Now, they do provide the necessary equipment for you to work from home, so you do not have to worry about having the computer. You just have to have high-speed internet with the minimum speed of 20 Mbps download and 10 Mbps upload. You can go to this website and you can go ahead and check your speed before you apply for the position. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the screen. These are the states that you are able to apply from. So if you see your state on the screen right now, you can definitely go ahead and apply for this job, and make sure you do it quick because training is going to start on March the 13th. If for some reason you do not see your city and state here, it's okay. All you have to do is go back and check out some of my other videos that are hiring in different states. But this is a full-time 40-hour per week position, and they'll probably have you working between these hours right here on the screen. I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description box below so you can go ahead and apply for this position. And I want to thank you guys so much for checking out this video. That is it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.